Ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick look round the Cleaning Expo 2026.
Basically, I got a stand here which is promoting the dangers of overhead power lines. Unfortunately, I was electrocuted 2 years ago by a 33 kV line, and I survived it. And I made it my #1 mission to spread the awareness, educate, and try and make the industry as a whole safer.
Have you found the industry's changing?
Yes, it's took a little while. I've been doing this now for about just over a year, but the last 4 months we've really got some traction now, and the industry's starting to listen and take this very seriously now.
No photos, Dave.
So was you saying you want 4 compressors?
Oh yes.
Kim Wright from Easy Floats. We've invented a bag that lifts beds and furniture. So it allows housekeepers, cleaners, carpet cleaners, all that to work underneath beds where before you couldn't do that.
So my name's Ellis. I'm one of the founders of Here Handle It. So we're a software company that basically helps with basically doing AI automations and workflow systems. Just trying to take that admin pressure off, for these service businesses. So yeah, please check out the website, handleit.ai.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
So I'm Kieran from Verpa, and Ben is the founder of it. We're an AI automation system. We've partnered with Squeegee, one of the biggest window cleaning obviously apps, where we automate inbound leads from AI voice calls to WhatsApp.
How are things going, Darren?
All right, mate. Yeah.
Have you had a busy show?
We have, yes.
You always do, mate.
We always do, yeah. Everyone wants to come and see me, and it's like 10 deep, and then I'm starting to lose my voice already, and it's only whatever time it is.
Hi, I'm Max from the WCA. We're relaunching the Window Cleaning Association, and if you don't know what the Window Clean Association is, it's a membership site. It's a yearly fee. We have got a discount for the show. You can get your risk assessments, method statements, health and safety documents if you're a member. We've also got a free CPD accredited module on our website for anybody. You don't need to be a member, which is overhead power line safety. Feel free to log on and do the course for you and your staff because it'll keep you safe.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your cooperation.
I'm Barry, this is Carlton Mojo. I'm Conrad, this is Barry. AC pressure washers, PR7 on the map.
Slim Reaper? What's the Slim Reaper?
We've got the Washmaster, and Barry will tell you all about the Slim Reaper in a minute.
Come on Barry, tell me about the Slim Reaper.
It's big, it's powerful, and it's everything you need.
We're Woodcare UK and we specialise in decking oils from the US.
Yeah, I'm James at Clean Marketing. We are the biggest residential window cleaning marketing agency in the country.
Hi, my name's Owen, I'm from Jenny Chem, and here we have a wide range of chemicals that we manufacture.